In ancient Greece, a revolution in thought was brewing. A new era was dawning where reason and observation unlocked the mysteries of the universe. At the forefront stood Thales of Miletus, a philosopher, mathematician, and astronomer. Thales is hailed as the father of philosophy and geometry, challenging the established order and laying the foundation for Western thought. Unlike his predecessors, Thales sought natural, rational explanations for phenomena. This shift from myth to reason marked a pivotal moment in human history, giving birth to modern science. Thales lived in the 6th century BC in Miletus, a bustling trading hub in modern-day Turkey. Despite his influence, little is known about his life, shrouded in legend and speculation. Later philosophers and historians recognized Thales's pivotal role in Western thought. They depict a man of immense intellect and insatiable curiosity who traveled extensively, absorbing knowledge from different cultures. One famous anecdote tells of Thales's trip to Egypt, where he calculated the height of the Great Pyramid using a shadow and a geometric principle. This story highlights Thales' observational skills and his ability to apply mathematical principles to solve practical problems. Thales's travels to Egypt were instrumental in shaping his intellectual development. He immersed himself in Egyptian culture, studying their mathematics, astronomy, and cosmology. The Egyptians' advanced geometric techniques for surveying and building intrigued Thales. Their meticulous tracking of celestial bodies provided valuable data for Thales' cosmological theories. Thales' time in Egypt was a period of intense learning and intellectual exchange. He integrated Egyptian wisdom with his own observations, laying the groundwork for his groundbreaking theories. Upon returning to Miletus, Thales sought to deeply understand the fundamental nature of reality. He rejected mythological explanations, instead seeking natural causes and underlying principles. Thales believed the universe operated according to inherent laws, comprehensible through reason, logic, and observation. This premise lies at the very heart of the scientific method. He encouraged his students to question everything, look for evidence, and rigorously test hypotheses. Thales' teachings inspired future generations to unravel the many mysteries of the universe. Central to Thales' philosophy was his search for a unifying principle, a fundamental substance from which all else arose. Thales, one of the pre-Socratic philosophers, sought to understand the world in a way that transcended mythological explanations. He observed that water was essential for all life and could exist in different states, solid, liquid, and gas. This observation was revolutionary at the time, as it highlighted the versatility and omnipresence of water in the natural world. This led him to hypothesize that water was the arche, the fundamental principle of all existence. Thales believed that by understanding water, one could understand the essence of life itself. While incorrect, Thales' hypothesis was significant for attempting to explain the natural world through a single unifying principle. His approach marked a departure from the mythological narratives that dominated the thinking of his time. It was based on observation and reasoning rather than mythology. Thales' method of inquiry laid the groundwork for future scientific and philosophical endeavors. Thales saw water's transformative power and believed it was the primordial substance. He noted how water could change forms and sustain life, making it a compelling candidate for the source of all things. His theory demonstrated the power of observation and abstract reasoning, paving the way for future scientific inquiries. Thales' legacy is a testament to the enduring quest for knowledge and understanding, inspiring generations of thinkers to explore the mysteries of existence. Thales is regarded as the father of geometry. He recognized geometry as a tool for understanding the world and introduced the first geometric proofs to Greece. Prior to Thales, geometry was primarily practical, used for surveying and construction. Thales saw its potential for abstract reasoning and logical deduction. He believed geometric truths were eternal principles governing space. Thales is credited with several fundamental geometric theorems, including a circle is bisected by its diameter. The base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. These theorems represent a profound shift in human thought, demonstrating the power of deductive reasoning. Perhaps the most famous geometric theorem attributed to Thales is the Thales theorem. Thales of Miletus, a pre-Socratic Greek philosopher, is often regarded as the father of geometry. His contributions laid the groundwork for many mathematical principles we use today. This theorem states that if A, B, and C are distinct points on a circle where the line AC is a diameter, then the angle ABC is a right angle. This simple yet profound observation has been fundamental in the study of circles and angles, influencing countless geometric proofs and applications. The legend goes that Thales, while in Egypt, was challenged to determine the height of the Great Pyramid of Giza. This challenge was not just a test of his knowledge, but also a demonstration of the practical applications of geometry in the real world. Using his knowledge of geometry, he observed that the length of a pyramid's shadow was proportional to its height. This observation was crucial because it allowed him to use the principles of similar triangles to solve the problem. He measured the shadow at a time when his own shadow was equal to his height. By doing so, he created a simple yet effective method to measure the pyramid's height without the need for complex tools or calculations. Using this information and the principles of similar triangles, Thales calculated the pyramid's height. This method showcased the power of geometric reasoning and its ability to solve practical problems. The Thales theorem has far-reaching implications in geometry and trigonometry. It not only serves as a foundational principle in the study of circles, but also exemplifies the practical applications of geometric concepts in solving real-world problems. Thales' work continues to inspire mathematicians and scholars to this day. Thales' contributions to geometry extend beyond specific theorems. He established a framework for geometric reasoning, a system of logical deduction based on axioms and postulates. This framework, further developed by later mathematicians like Euclid, formed the foundation of Euclidean geometry. Thales' emphasis on logical proof marked a pivotal moment in the development of mathematics. His work laid the groundwork for axiomatic systems, deriving complex truths from self-evident principles. This approach influenced the development of Western thought for centuries. Thales of Miletus lived in a time of great intellectual ferment, laying the foundations of Western civilization. His contributions to philosophy, mathematics, and astronomy were revolutionary. Thales dared to question the established order, seeking natural explanations for the mysteries of the universe. He is remembered as the father of philosophy and geometry for his groundbreaking ideas and pioneering work. Though much of his life remains shrouded in antiquity, Thales stands as a towering figure in Western thought. His insatiable curiosity and belief in human reason continue to inspire thinkers today. Thales' influence is felt in every scientific discovery, mathematical theorem, and philosophical inquiry. His contributions laid the groundwork for countless advancements in various fields, from astronomy to geometry. He showed that the universe is governed by inherent laws that can be understood and predicted through careful study and logical reasoning. These laws are decipherable through observation and deduction, a method that has become the cornerstone of scientific inquiry. His legacy lies in the spirit of inquiry, a spirit that drives us to ask questions and seek answers, no matter how elusive they may seem. The relentless pursuit of knowledge, a trait that Thales embodied, continues to inspire scholars and thinkers around the world. And the belief in human reason, the idea that through rational thought we can unlock the mysteries of the universe, Thales remains relevant today, reminding us that the quest for knowledge is timeless. His teachings encourage us to look beyond the surface and delve deeper into the nature of reality. His legacy serves as a beacon, guiding us through the darkness of ignorance and into the light of understanding. Illuminating the path to understanding ourselves and the universe, Thales' insights continue to resonate. As we explore the cosmos and natural world, we are reminded of the importance of curiosity and the drive to uncover the unknown. We remember Thales' words, "The most difficult thing in life is to know yourself." These words challenge us to embark on a journey of self-discovery. These words, spoken over 2 millennia ago, still urge us to question, explore, and seek knowledge. They remind us that the pursuit of wisdom is a never-ending journey. Thales' enduring legacy continues to inspire and challenge us, pushing the boundaries of what we know and encouraging us to seek the truth in all things.